Hi all. See, this is a problem regarding AP series and obviously the sums are given, right? So here the first term is already given, that is A1, but the common difference is unknown. So first our job is to assume that common difference. So let's go ahead. So here we'll write down that let the common difference is D. And therefore, let us consider that first sum is that's equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 30 AI. Now, what's that actually? It gives you actually sum in the form of A1 plus A2 and so on. It goes up to A30. Now, therefore, we can easily understand that number of terms here is 30, okay? And what is the sum? First term and the last term, right? So, let's add them together. So, therefore, we can find that it gives you 30 divided by 2, A1 plus A30. Now, also we can understand that this obviously 15, A1 and A30 can be written as A1 plus 29D, okay? So therefore, it gives you actually 15 2A1 plus 29D. That gives you S. Let's come back and look carefully about the T. So T is equal to summation of I is equal to 1 to 15. So obviously 15 terms are there, and obviously we are having A to I minus 1. That gives you, if I write down in the sum form, we can find out that it's all 2I minus 1. So all odd terms. So it's 1, 3, 5, 7 and all the stuff, right? So let's go ahead. So therefore we'll see that it gives you A1 plus A3 plus dot 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 to A29. Now here obviously we can have 15 term, so therefore we can find 15 divided by 2 A1 plus A29, and that completes that. But only the problem we have to find that what is the common difference here. Here you can see that for this AP, right, A2 minus A1 is the common difference, and that's equal to D. So that's why the A30 I use A1 plus 29D, okay? So that's it, that's the use. But here, what's the A29 terms, right? A29 terms, obviously, that using this problem, we can understand that A29 is equal to A1 plus 28D, right? So let's substitute that here. So therefore, we'll find that 15 by 2 A1 plus A1 plus 28D. That completes that. So it get cancel, take 15 common, we'll have A1 plus 14D, and that's it. Now in this particular problem, it's given that S minus 2T is 75. So let's consider that. So it's given S minus 2T is 75. So that's imply that what is S? S is this one. So we can write 15 multiplied by 2A1 plus 29D minus 15 2A1 plus 28D, and that's difference gives you 75. Now if I subtract that, we'll find 2A1 get cancelled, 29D minus D, so that gives you D. That is equal to 5. So that's the common difference we calculate. Also it is given that A5 is equal to 27. So what is A5? We can calculate A1 from that. Now here it is also given that A5 is equal to 27. So that's imply that A1 plus 4D is equal to 27. So that's imply that A1 is equal to 27 minus 4 multiplied by 5. That gives you 7. So we calculate the first term and the common difference. Now here they are asking to find A10. So that's it. It is a very one-liner problem. Now, so let's go ahead and calculate A10. A10 is equal to A1 plus 9D. So what is A1? That is 7. And 9D is 9 into 5, that is 45, and that gives you 52. So therefore, the final answer for this problem is definitely 52. So it's just a application of sum formula and the nth term in different times and get that answer. Okay, that's it. So let's have a look on the solution, detailed solution. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.